Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the new Monster Hunter Wilds Hunt Begins Assistance Pack, which is the new Discord video quest that just released yesterday, and it's only available until the 6th of March 2025. If you don't know, recently Monster Hunter Wilds just released on Steam and it has become one of the most anticipated games of 2025, and as you can see right now there is over 700,000 people playing right now, so it is a very massive game, and Discord decided to do a cool quest for their launch of their game, and this is a beginner pack for new users. So this is a good bonus pack if you just got the game and you're just playing it now and you're just starting it out, and you could actually use this on either PlayStation in the Americas, PC, or on Xbox. And if you're not sure how it got here, you have to be on desktop on the Discord app or on the Discord client on the browser, which will be Discord app.com, I think, or discord.com/app. No, it's discord.com/app. Yeah, so go to discord.com/app if you're on the browser, else just use the actual desktop app here. Then you'll go into the discovery tab and under the quest tab and under all quests, and it'll pop up here, and there'll be a button that says start video quest. Once you click it, it'll start playing this video. Now this is a longer video quest than Discord normally does. Usually they're around 30 seconds to a minute. This one's actually 2 minutes and 15 seconds, so it's a little bit longer, but all you have to do is watch through this and then you can claim your reward. So I'll quickly cut to when I'm done watching it, and you can watch on your own time, and let's get this reward. And there we go. So once you're done watching this trailer, by the way, this is a pretty cool trailer for this game, not gonna lie. But anyways, once you are done this trailer, then there will be a claim reward button in the bottom right. And as you can see, the progress bar is fully green. And you'll just click on claim reward. And then, now this is where it kind of gets a little bit important here, because you have to choose the platform that you're on. So make sure that you choose the correct platform, because once you choose a platform and get your code, you cannot change this after. It literally says you will not be able to change your selection after hitting get code. So make sure that you choose the exact platform that you're playing Monster Hunter Wilds on, because this will determine whether or not you could use your code on your desired platform. So I'm going to assume that you're on PC if you're watching this video, but of course you could do it if you're on console and you're just using your computer. Just choose your platform and then click get code when you are when you're confident that you clicked the right button. Then you'll verify, and then it will generate the code here, and it'll say congrats. And it'll give you your code, which you could then copy and paste into the redeem section. I believe the redeem section will either be in-game or on their Monster Hunter Wilds website. Now there is the website here. I don't know if you could actually do it from the website. You might have to do it in-game because it's dependent on the platform. So it's probably not just on the website, because then it's not linked between accounts, I guess, because you could only have one per platform. So it's probably in-game. I'm not sure how to do this. This game released literally yesterday. So now if you are on PC and you have to redeem this code, you'll go into Steam and you'll go into add a game and then activate a product on Steam. So in the bottom right here, there'll be add a game and then activate a product on Steam. Then you can paste your code in. You could take my code, by the way. I don't have the game right now. So if you do want to take my code, be my guest. But you'll just paste this code in here and it should be added to the game if you do have the actual game installed. But anyways, guys, that is how you get the new Hunt Begins Assistance Pack for Monster Hunter Wilds. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers in the long run, and it'd be really nice if you could help me out. If you're not sure who I am, I make Discord tutorials. My name is Accede, and I make Discord tutorials and Discord server tutorials, so you can make good Discord servers that look well and that actually work properly, and how to use the different bots that you could add to them to make your server look even better. But anyways, please join my Discord server. It'll be in the link in the description below. Please join my wonderful community. And if you need any help with Discord, please check out my other videos. I have plenty of different tutorials. And if you don't see the tutorial that you need for your Discord server, please send me a suggestion in my Discord server, and I'll try and make that tutorial as soon as possible. Anyways, though, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.